Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to create a beautiful online store without spending a single dollar? In this video, I will show you how to use Canva's free website builder to create a fully functional store you can share with customers. No design, design or coding skills needed. What is you will need? Here's what you need to get started: a free Canva account, product images, and basic information like name, price, description, and link. Optional, a free payment link like PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe, or Coffee. Go to canva.com, then go to templates tab and search for website. In the search bar, choose a mobile first website. Template, these are responsive and great for shops. You can filter by category or search for mobile first website. Click on it, then click customize this template. Now it's time to turn your template into an online store. Change the title name, select all, and enter your website name like my gym. Add product image. You can download image from Google, or you can capture picture of your product. I will use a Google Photos like gym accessories. Download this and go to upload section, then upload file. Now upload the file. When it's uploaded, drag into your canvas. Like that. Change the color of font color like black or red. Adjust the color. And resize the text. A short description, a buy now button with the payment link, duplicate sections for mobile more products. Keep it clean and visual, and Canva makes it easy to drag and drop and resize. At the bottom of your site, add a short about us page. Click add page or add here, like click text, then add text, select the canvas and drag it here. Type about us, pick the color and resize the text, and select all, then click link button and add your about us section link, social media icons if you want, an email or contact button using a mail to link. Use canvas icons and buttons for style consistency. Ready to launch? Here's how to make your store live. Click the share button, then click the then tap on see all button or three dot button, then click website. From here, choose the free Canva domain, type your website name, then click publish, or connect a custom domain if you want, if you have one, and your store is now live, like that. Click view website and your website is look like that. Easy, right? Copy your store link and share it everywhere: social media, bios, WhatsApp, or Messenger, email newsletters, keyword codes, or product packaging or flyers. You can even add it to your Instagram shop or TikTok bio. Then manage orders. Since this is a simple store font, you will manage orders manually. When customers click buy now button and complete payments through your link, you get notified by a PayPal or your payment platform. Fulfill the order manually and contact the customer by email. Use Google Sheets to track orders for free. And that's how you can create a free online store using Canva in 2025. Fast, easy, and perfect for beginners. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Drop a comment if you wanted a template copy. Free resources linked in the description. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store. I will see you in the next one.